Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper, right? It's really easy. You have to just go to your basically Tonkeeper and you can just attach your wallet, or you can just transfer your wallet, or you can just create your own wallet on the Tonkeeper. Right now here to buy it, you will get this option of buy. So as you can see here, buy and sell, tap on it. Now as you can see here, buy Ton, make sure it is in the buy section, right? And you will get a lot of option, right, to buy Ton. So here, for example, if I want to buy, I can just go through the Mercuro, Neo Crypto, MoonPay, Transfer AK, and there's some another, right? So if I just go and click show all, then there's another platforms too. So here you can see, for example, I just like MoonPay, so I will just go on tap on MoonPay and click on open MoonPay. So it will redirect to me MoonPay, and I have to log in into it, and basically it's take a little bit of time to just open it up. Now here I can buy Ton buy through MoonPay, and I can just select and click on continue, and I can buy it. So here you can see you will get 65.5 Ton for $500, right? So I can just enter different amount, whatever amount I want to buy Ton. Same way you can just go and use your different platforms and you can buy, and once you buy, all your Ton will be shown here. So it's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.